making mac and cheese and chicken strips. Of course, the easiest, most delicious meal. Alright, dinner's going to be chicken strips and some mac and cheese. And I'm going to try cooking mac and cheese in the Instant Pot. I've never cooked boxed mac and cheese in the Instant Pot. So we're going to try it out. 400 degrees, 15-20 minutes. There you go. I'm going to go ahead and preheat the air fryer. I don't always do that, but I do have a preheat on here. So we'll start with that. Let's see. 3 boxes, 6 ounces each. That's a little over a pound. So I'm going to stick with 3 cups of water. And so I'm going to do the noodles from here, 3 cups of water, and salt and butter. And then after it cooks in the Instant Pot, I'll stir in the cheese powder and the milk. I wanted to mention that since I don't have a lot of counter space here, I put a pan on top of the stove so my air fryer could sit here, and then I took the knobs off of the stove so that I don't accidentally turn them on. I just set them right up here so they're safe. I can put them on as soon as I'm finished using my air fryer, but that just keeps everything safe.